All right, friends, it is time for a new domain. So we are going to be learning about something new. Take a look at this picture and see if you can guess what we're going to be learning about. What is that a picture of? If you guessed the human body, you are correct. In this picture, we see some of the systems that make up the human body. We'll learn more about the word systems in just a minute. For now, I want to talk about which systems we're seeing. In this picture, we can see the circulatory system, the nervous system, the digestive and excretory systems, the muscular system, and the skeletal system. Right now, I want you to think about what it means to be healthy. Healthy means that you are not infected with disease, or that you are doing things that promote or indicate good health. In this unit, we are going to learn how we can keep our bodies healthy. One thing that we will focus on is how eating and what we eat makes a big difference in how healthy our bodies are. We will focus on the best foods to eat and how the body processes those foods in order to keep us healthy. Now, let's go over some of our vocabulary words. Systems. See, I told you we'd be coming back to that word. A system is a set of interconnecting parts that work together. In this domain, we will learn how the muscular and skeletal systems work together to help your body move. Organs. Organs are internal body parts that perform specific jobs within body systems. For example, your heart, lungs, and kidneys are all examples of organs. Nutrients. Nutrients are nourishing substances that are necessary for growth and the maintenance of life. Nutrition. Nutrition is the process of supplying the body with the proper foods for growth and good health. For example, eating junk food does not provide the nutrition needed for healthy human beings. Nutritionist. A nutritionist is someone who gives advice about diet as it relates to good health and fitness. So because I, Miss Hill, am a diabetic, I often meet with a nutritionist, and she helps me find foods to put in my diet that will help me maintain my disease and keep me strong and healthy. Vaccinations. This is the process of getting vaccines to prevent diseases. For example, vaccinations for chickenpox have helped stop the spread of this very contagious disease. Hello everybody, my name is Nick Nutri, and I am a nutritionist. Does anyone know what that really means? Nutritionists study nutrition, or in other words, the ways in which our bodies get the food that they need to grow and stay healthy. We give advice about diet and how a person's diet affects their health. Nutritionists learn what is in our food and how our bodies use it. I work with doctors to help children understand what they need to do to take care of their bodies. One of the first things a nutritionist studies is the human body. It's important to understand how the body works in order to know how to keep it healthy. Dr. Wellbody tells me that you already know a lot about the human body. Stand up and let's take a look at all of the body parts that we can see. Where is your skin? It's all over you, isn't it? Skin covers your head, your face, your neck, your chest, your tummy, your bottom, arms, legs, hands, feet, everything. Your skin is a stretchy, waterproof covering that protects you from germs and helps control your body temperature. Just beneath your skin are tiny little receptors, part of your nervous system, that travel to your brain. These receptors, or nerve endings, react to changes like heat and cold in the body and send messages to the brain. You can't see them, but they tell your brain what is touching your skin, and your brain reacts to the touch. Some touches, like petting a dog, can be very positive, while others, like touching a hot stove, can be quite painful. Touch is one of your 5 senses. Let's see if we can name the other 4 senses that help you get information about your surroundings. Let's see, I know we have the sense of taste and smell and sight. And what's that thing that your ears do? Right, it's hearing. Oh, Dr. Wellbody was right. You guys know a lot, I can tell. Touch, taste, smell, sight, and hearing are your 5 senses. Let's sit down and find out what you already know about your body. Where is your sense of taste located? In your mouth. Your tongue is covered with taste buds that allow you to taste the differences between salty, sweet, bitter, and sour foods. They also warn you of danger from hot foods or other things that may harm your body. Did you know that your sense of smell is connected to your sense of taste? That's why some things don't taste the same to you when you have a cold. What part of your body is affected the most when you have the sniffles? Your nose. And look how close your nose is to your mouth. It makes sense that they are connected, doesn't it? Just above your nose are your eyes. Which of your senses do they control? Sight, of course. Your eyes are responsible for what you see. Vision, or your ability to see, lets you know the size and shape of an object, how near or far it is, and how fast it is moving. That's a lot of information. Some people have problems seeing correctly, but fortunately, they are able to have many of these problems corrected by wearing glasses or contact lenses. Okay, we've named 4 of the 5 senses: touch, taste, smell, and sight. The last one is hearing. As I said before, we use our ears to hear. Your ears catch and change sound waves into nerve signals that travel to your brain. Your ears not only help you to hear, but they also help you keep your balance. Some people are born deaf or unable to hear, and others develop deafness later in life. Hearing aids often help them hear better. Look around you. You all have skin. You all have eyes and noses and mouths and ears. But do you all look the same? Certainly not. You may look different on the outside, different colors of skin, hair, and eyes, different heights and weights, but what lies underneath your skin is all pretty much the same. You have already learned that your body is a collection of many different systems, or sets of connected parts that work together, each with its own job to do. Does anyone remember the names of any body systems that I said at the beginning of this video? What is your skin wrapped around? What gives your body its shape? Your skeleton. Your skeleton is a part of the skeletal system, including your bones and joints. It supports your body and protects your body's internal, or inside, organs. Organs are body parts that do specific jobs for the body, such as the heart, lungs, brain, and liver. Can you find your ribs? Your tough rib bones cover your soft heart and lungs. Together with your muscular system, your skeletal system helps your body move. The respiratory system is in charge of how your body breathes air into your lungs to supply your body with oxygen. The circulatory system pumps blood from the heart and carries it to all parts of your body. The nervous system is the body's main control center, carrying messages to and from the brain. The word nervous, when it's used to talk about the body's systems, means having to do with the nerves. Although all of the body's systems are important, the two that interest me the most are the digestive system and the excretory system. That's because they are the ones most responsible for the food that enters and leaves your body. You get nutrients, or substances that are necessary for your body to grow, from the food you eat. And I want to make sure that your body gets the nutrients it needs. The digestive system carries food to your stomach and small intestines, where it breaks down food into fuel to give the body the energy it needs to live. Food that your body cannot digest moves into the large intestine and is released as solid waste. The excretory system removes liquid waste from the body. We are going to talk about these two systems a lot more on another day. People often compare the human body to a machine with lots of movable parts working together. Do you think that the human body is like a machine? If so, how is it like a machine? And in what ways is it different? Most of the time, your body systems work well together. But, just like machines, sometimes things break down. Germs may get inside your body and cause illnesses. The body fights off germs within the body, but sometimes the body's defenses are not enough. As a baby, you may have received vaccinations to help prevent diseases that were once common among children. Vaccinations are often called shots. Vaccines, or the medicine in a vaccination, are inactive or weakened germs, harmless to people, that are often injected or pumped into your body. These dead or weakened germs trick the body into thinking that it is becoming infected or getting sick. So the body figures out how to fight off that infection. The body then knows how to fight off any infections of that kind in the future. If you are vaccinated against diseases like measles or mumps, you will likely not get those diseases. The human body is truly an amazing machine. You carry your body with you wherever you go. Whether you are reading, eating, playing ball, or sleeping, your body continues to work to keep you healthy. It is important for you to do your part too. What are some of the things that you can do to take care of your body? Germs are everywhere. How can you help your body fight off germs? Washing your hands with soap and water is one of the most important things that you can do. Make sure that you wash often throughout every day and especially before you eat. Clean the rest of your body with regular baths and shampoos too. Cleanliness, or keeping a clean body, is very important to your body's health. How often have you heard an adult say, "Eat your fruits and veggies"? I told you that I am a nutritionist. That means that good nutrition is very important to me. Remember, nutrition is the process of providing the body with the food it needs to grow and stay healthy. Eating the right foods is important for good health, and that means eating lots of fruits and veggies. It is so important that your body gets the proper nutrients to keep its marvelous machine running smoothly. Exercise goes hand in hand with healthy eating. The food you eat supplies your body with the energy it needs to exercise its muscles. By walking, running, and playing ball, you help your body stay lean and fit. Getting enough rest and having regular checkups with a healthcare professional, like doctors and nurses, are both important as well. In the following lessons, we will talk about all of these things. Taking care of your body is more than just keeping your fingers crossed and hoping that you will be healthy. By the time you finish these lessons, you will know a lot of ways you can help your body stay strong and healthy. Next time we're together, I'm going to tell you about one of my heroes, a man named Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Anton van Leeuwenhoek is from a country called Holland, and he was Dutch, which is what you call someone from Holland, which today is part of the country known as the Netherlands. Anton was named for where he lived in Holland. The name of his street was Lions Gate, and his house stood on the corner. The word for lion in Dutch is lie, and the word for corner is hoek. Thus, his name is Anton, who lives on the corner of Lions Gate. Naming people in such a way was not uncommon when Anton was born, nearly 400 years ago. I can't wait to tell you why he is my hero, but I'll have to save that for next time. All right, my friends, I want to talk about a proverb that we heard in the read aloud today. Remember, a proverb is a short traditional saying that has been passed along orally from generation to generation. These sayings usually express general truths based on experiences and observations of everyday life. While some proverbs do have literal meanings, that is, they mean exactly what they say, many proverbs have a richer meaning beyond the literal level. I want to know, think about a time if you have ever heard someone say to keep your fingers crossed, or maybe saying that they are keeping their fingers crossed. This proverb is another way of saying that you hope for a good result from some future event. So if you have a soccer game coming up on Tuesday, instead of saying, I hope it doesn't rain on Tuesday, you could say, I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it doesn't rain on Tuesday. In today's read aloud, Nick Nutri said, taking care of your body is more than just keeping your fingers crossed. Nick Nutri means that it takes more than luck to keep your body healthy.